What's up everybody, Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports here, and today I'm going to be bringing you just a real quick overview video on this Ford Performance diff cover for the Ford Ranger. Now, this won't be an install, we just wanted to talk over the product briefly, but basically what you're looking at here is a replacement rear diff cover for the 2019 to 2020 Ford Rangers. Now, with this cover, it is a cast iron piece with a hammered powder coat finish on it, so this is going to be quite a bit more durable than just the regular factory cover that's on there. As you probably already know, when you're off-roading, you don't want to smack your diff against rocks, and obviously you're going to try and choose lines to get around that, but sometimes it's inevitable or mistakes happen, and something like this is going to get you a little bit more protection in that department. So if things do go sour, you don't have to risk completely punching through that diff cover or denting it or creating unnecessary damage. Looking at the face of the cover here, you'll see that this also has 2 fill plugs instead of 1 like the factory, and when you buy this kit, you're going to get a new gasket as well as the new hardware to install it, so that way you can completely replace it and you don't have to worry about finding a new gasket or swapping things out. It's going to have everything that you need, so really you just have to get under there, drain the fluid, pop the new one on, fill it back up, and you'll be good to go. It's also worth noting that this Ford cover is made in the USA, so you know that you're getting something that's good quality here. Now, if you're interested in picking up one of these covers for your Ranger, you can head down in the description below. We'll have a link that'll shoot you over to our website. And as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.